If you use Google Drive for asset of document storage, then you can connect folders to Dronedesk. This is a loose integration in the sense that it will enable you to display Google Drive folders in the system, but you won't be able to directly upload or save files to Google Cloud from within Dronedesk. To get started, head to the top right menu, Settings. So you can set a folder at 3 levels in the system. Business level, so effectively that would be where you keep things like your insurance document, your authorizations, that type of thing. You can set a separate folder at project level where you'd obviously keep documentation relative or relevant to the project. And then at the most granular level, you can set a folder at job level. So to get started, head to Integrations and Google Drive, and then enter the Google Drive folder ID in here. So what you'll need to do is go into your Google Drive. Let's assume this is our folder with a couple of documents in there that we want to include on all jobs in the system. So I would go to Business, Share, Share. And then what you need to do is make sure that the option to share with anyone with the link is checked. Copy that link back to Dronedesk. You'll need to delete anything appended after the, and including the question mark at the end of the folder name, and then in the URL. So all you're after is the folder name itself. Click Test Access. You'll get a window pop up that should show the contents of that folder, as you can see here. If you don't get a view of the folder and you get an error, typically that'll be a 404 error, then you need to check the permissions, make sure that you've trimmed down the URL to just show the folder. So once you're happy, click Looks Good. Then we can go into Projects. So let's select this project. Manage project. If I edit it, actually. Again, I can specify a folder here for Google Drive. So if I go back to my drive, go into projects, and let's say we're going to do project 1. So now let's share that. Share. Anyone with a link. Copy the link. Done. Back into Dronedesk. And again, we want to delete everything apart from the folder ID. And save the changes. So if we go into Google Drive now, we can see both the legal documents and the project folder. So if I now go into one of the jobs for this project and edit that job, I can again specify a Google Drive folder. So if I go back into my project and go to job 1, where we've got some documentation, then I can share that. Share anyone with a link, copy link. And again, clean up the URL so that we just got the folder ID, and then save the changes. So when this job refreshes now, then we scroll down to Google Drive, we'll see the legal documents at business level, we'll see the project files at project level, and then the job files at job level. So you can click on these and it'll take you back into Google Drive to access that document. And then there's a link here also to take you directly to your Google Drive folder.